This week's Connect assignments cover Chapter 14, Pricing Concepts for Establishing Value. You will be required to complete the Smart Book Chapter 14 review, Case 1, Case 2, the quiz for Chapter 14, the SIM pricing, and Exam 3, which will cover product and pricing. This week's SIM is pricing. This SIM will focus on the different factors from the perception of value to the competitive environment and how those factors influence how price impacts sales. Be sure to review the video guidance, price SIM before beginning the assignment. You should be familiar with how the SIM navigates and how the scores are determined. Keep in mind that you have 9 attempts to earn the maximum points. 3 attempts with 3 tries for each one. Exam 3 will cover the 3M model marketing mix, which is product and price this time. Each exam will randomly draw from a pool of questions. This means that all exams will be different. You may take the exam one time and there is a 60-minute time limit. Once you start the exam, the timer begins. Do not begin the exam until you have the available time. You may see your score after the submission and review the correct answers after the exam due date. You may submit the exam after the due date, but it will lose 20% of points earned for each day it is past due. This means that it will be worth 0 points 5 days after the due date. Be sure to review the video 3M Model Product and Price Introduction before taking Exam 3. I would also review Chapter 11, Product, Branding, and Packaging Decisions, Chapter 13, Services, the Intangible Product, and Chapter 14, Pricing Concepts for Establishing Value. If you have any questions, contact me early in the week at myers-d@mssu.edu.